Yo tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into the 20 smallest mini aircraft in the world. Real flying machines you won't believe actually exist. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your cart right now. Meet the Air 1, the sleek, all-electric VTOL aircraft that's redefining personal flight. Imagine the agility of a drone, the range of a light aircraft, and the simplicity of driving your car, all packed into one futuristic machine. Here's what makes it tick. The Air 1 is fully electric, which means zero emissions, lower noise, and way less hassle than anything running on fossil fuel. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour and a range of 110 miles on a single charge, it's built for real-world use, not just some sci-fi fantasy. And yes, it actually takes off and lands vertically. No runway required. Pop it down in your driveway, your office rooftop, or a quiet corner of a field. Inside, it's clean, compact, and designed to be as intuitive as possible. You don't need to be a seasoned pilot to get airborne. Thanks to advanced stability systems and smart avionics, controlling the Air 1 feels more like using a touchscreen than manning a cockpit. That's intentional. The whole system is made to open up flight to more people, not just trained professionals. The design also focuses heavily on safety. Multiple redundancies, intelligent fail-safes, and next-gen sensors help keep you in control even if conditions change fast. Whether you're commuting across the city, escaping for the weekend, or just flying for the thrill of it, this machine makes it feel natural, not nerve-wracking. And the big picture? The Air 1 is more than a vehicle. It's a step toward making personal air mobility a real thing, not just a billionaire's toy. This is what flying looks like when it's actually practical, quiet, sustainable, and built for everyday life. The future isn't coming. It's already got rotors. Meet the SD1 Minisport, a featherweight single-seat aircraft built for those who crave precision, agility, and pure flying joy. Born from the minds at Ecolot and manufactured by Spasek in Hoden, Czech Republic, this little beast has earned a loyal following among amateur builders and solo pilots who want more than just a ride. They want a real connection with the sky. Here's what makes the SD1 tick. It's equipped with a punchy Hearth F23 engine that delivers impressive speed and climb performance for such a compact airframe. It's not the biggest, and it's definitely not the flashiest, but when it comes to nimble handling, efficiency, and low maintenance, it punches way above its weight class. Thanks to its tight build and aerodynamic design, the Minisport responds like an extension of your own reflexes. Whether you're cruising through clear skies or diving into aerobatic maneuvers, this plane doesn't just keep up, it thrives. And if you're into building your own aircraft, the SD1 is a dream project. Its simplicity and affordability open the door to personal aviation without drowning in complexity or cost. Fuel-sipping and cost-effective, it makes flying more accessible without watering down the experience. The cockpit is small but functional, giving you everything you need and nothing you don't. And that's the whole philosophy here. Strip away the unnecessary, keep the essentials, and deliver a machine that lets you truly feel every part of flight. The SD1 Minisport isn't for those who want to sit back and be carried. It's for the ones who want to fly, who want to feel the wind, and who appreciate the art of flight stripped down to its purest form. This is flying, raw and real. The Archopric AllinOne is no ordinary glider. It's a sleek, foot-launched marvel that brings serious performance to those who crave the feeling of raw, unpowered flight. Built for pilots who want freedom without the hassle, this lightweight glider nails the balance between simplicity and engineering finesse. Let's talk design. The streamlined frame and advanced aerodynamics let you carve through the sky with minimal drag and maximum control. Whether you're launching off a hillside or catching thermals over flat land, this thing responds with sharp precision and grace. Its top speed? Around 90 kilometers per hour, 56 miles per hour. But here's the thing. It's not about top speed. It's about the sensation of flight, and the Archopric delivers that in full. One of the big wins here is portability. The entire setup is foldable and easy to pack, so you can throw it in the back of a car, hike it up a mountain, and be airborne in no time. Setup is quick, teardown is painless. It's made for pilots who'd rather fly than fiddle with gear. And this isn't just for hobbyists. The all-in-one model comes with features that work for both recreational and competition pilots. It's got the agility and responsiveness you want when the wind shifts, plus the kind of durability and fine-tuned control you need to stay in the air longer and go farther. In a world where flight is becoming more automated and distant, the Archopric keeps it personal. No engine, no noise, just you, gravity, and the wind. If you've ever wanted to feel what real flying feels like, this is it. The SubSonex is what happens when personal aviation takes a bold leap into jet-powered territory. This is a single-seat, kit-built aircraft for people who don't just want to fly, they want to jet, and not in some bloated private plane. We're talking sleek, fast, and unapologetically thrilling. Under the hood, or rather on its back, sits a compact but mighty turbine engine. Despite its size, this little beast can push the Subzone X to speeds up to 300 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. That's not impressive for a small plane. That's impressive, full stop. It's the kind of speed that punches the air and puts a grin on your face you can't shake. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. You build it yourself. The Subzone X comes as a kit. That means you don't just fly it, you know it inside and out. Every bolt, every wire, every panel. You built it. You built it. Then you light up the engine and blast into the sky like it's no big deal. Its lightweight design isn't just for show, it makes the Subzone X ridiculously responsive. Every little nudge on the controls gives you instant feedback. It's agile, balanced, and flies like a dream. You'll get a smooth ride, but with the kind of edge only a jet can deliver. For pilots who want more than just flying, who want jet flight on their own terms, the Heaviside EV Tall isn't just another electric aircraft. It's a quiet revolution in the sky. Built by Kitty Hawk and named after physicist Oliver Heaviside, this futuristic vehicle is all about efficiency, autonomy, and urban freedom. Think of it as your personal flight pod, purpose-built for short-range travel without the chaos of traditional aviation. With a top range of 100 miles per charge, the Heaviside takes off vertically thanks to a hybrid system of fixed wings and tilt rotors. No runway needed, just lift, hover, and go. It's smooth, fast, and smart. But here's what really sets it apart: noise. Or rather, the lack of it. The Heaviside is nearly 100 times quieter than a helicopter in flight. That means no angry neighbors, no city bands, and no earplugs required. Speed? Covered. Silence? Mastered. Efficiency? It's electric, of course. Zero emissions, low operating cost, and none of the fuel fuss. It's packed with next-gen avionics, autonomous flight tech, and aerodynamic design that slices through air with minimal drag and maximum control. This isn't a concept sketch or sci-fi fantasy. The Heaviside is real, tested, and flying. It's part of a growing wave of eVTOL aircraft changing how we think about transportation. No traffic jams, no runways, and no fossil fuels. The Heaviside is for the dreamers who want to live above the noise. Literally, whether it's a quick hop across town or a scenic flight to the outskirts, this machine is built to get you there fast, clean, and quiet. The future of personal air mobility isn't just coming, it's already airborne, and it's whisper quiet. The Technam P92 Mech 2 isn't trying to be flashy, it's just quietly excellent at what it does. Built by Italian aircraft manufacturer Tecnam, this two-seat, high-wing light sport aircraft has become a favorite for flight schools, hobbyists, and anyone who wants to spend more time in the sky without a hassle. What makes it stand out? For starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. Everything from takeoff to landing feels smooth and intuitive, even for beginner pilots. The M2 features an aluminum airframe that strikes a solid balance between strength and weight, and its robust landing gear can handle even rougher airstrips without complaint. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable Rotax engine that delivers the performance you need with impressive fuel efficiency. You're getting the kind of range and power that makes cross-country trips not just possible, but practical. Plus, operating costs are low, which means more flight time and fewer maintenance headaches. Inside, it's surprisingly roomy. The cockpit is spacious, with modern avionics that give you all the situational awareness and control you'd want from a bigger aircraft. Visibility is excellent, making it a joy to fly whether you're training or just taking in the view. The P92 Mach 2 has earned its stripes as a dependable go-to aircraft for light sport pilots. It's not trying to reinvent aviation. It's just doing all the basics right, with a little Italian finesse. Bottom line, whether you're learning to fly or just want a capable, affordable aircraft to explore the skies, the Technam P92 Mech 2 gets it done. No, the Nisus Gyroplane isn't just another flying machine. It's a refined blend of performance, safety, and pure flying joy. Designed with both casual flyers and seasoned pilots in mind, it brings together the effortless handling of a gyrocopter with the precision and sophistication of modern aeronautics. Let's break it down. This isn't some clunky experimental craft. The Nisus is crafted from lightweight, high-strength materials to maximize fuel efficiency without compromising on strength or reliability. That makes a real difference in how it handles and how far it goes on a tank. Its design is sleek, aerodynamic, and clearly built with visibility and comfort at the forefront. Inside the cockpit, you get a wide field of view that gives you a true sense of freedom, like flying should feel. Add in the advanced avionics package and you've got fingertip control and a surprisingly intuitive flying experience. Now, why would you pick the Nisus over another ultralight or gyrocopter? For starters, stability. This thing is tuned for a balanced ride, even in less than perfect weather. It doesn't fight you in the air, it works with you. That's why beginners find it approachable, and experienced pilots appreciate its responsiveness. Whether you're just getting into recreational aviation or want something nimble and reliable for weekend flying, the Nisus checks every box. It's light, efficient, and smartly engineered for both fun and safety. And unlike more complex aircraft, this one doesn't overwhelm you. It invites you to take the controls and enjoy the ride. Bottom line, if you're looking for a personal aircraft that balances simplicity with serious tech, the Nisus is a standout. It's a machine that makes flying accessible. E-Flite Viper 64mm EDF jet, compact power for high-speed RC flight. The E-Flite Viper 64mm EDF jet, priced at Ehang, offers an ideal blend of high-speed performance, sleek fighter jet looks, and user-friendly features in a compact design. It's tailored for intermediate to experienced pilots. But with built-in safety tech, it also welcomes first-time EDF flyers ready to step up. This jet is powered by an 11-blade 64mm electric ducted fan, a high-output outrunner motor, and a Spectrum Avian 70A Smart Light ESC. Together, they deliver a powerful, smooth, and realistic jet experience using standard 4S 3200 mAh LiPo batteries. The high RPM fan not only produces impressive thrust, but also mimics the authentic sound of a real turbine jet, adding to the excitement. Thanks to its sport plane-like stability, the Viper performs agile aerobatics with confidence. It's just as comfortable doing loops and rolls as it is flying fast and level. The Bind and Fly basic version includes AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis, for smoother flight in windy conditions, and Safe Select technology to assist with takeoffs, landings, and overall flight stability. These features make it more approachable for newer pilots while keeping it exciting for veterans. The compact airframe makes storage and transport simple, and its lightweight design helps deliver precise control. It's also easy to launch and land, even from shorter runways or grass fields. Whether you're upgrading from a basic trainer or adding a versatile EDF to your fleet, the E-Flite Viper 64mm is a top-tier choice. It combines the adrenaline of jet flight with the reliability and ease of a sport plane, all in a slick, fighter-inspired package that looks as good as it flies. Get ready for speed, style, and steady control, all in one. EFlight Sporex 1.1 meters, the perfect RC upgrade for precision and fun. The EFlight Sporex 1.1 MIVA is the ultimate next step for RC pilots ready to move beyond basic trainers. Priced at $270, this sleek, aerobatic-capable plane blends style, control, and convenience, ideal for intermediate flyers and experienced hobbyists who want a fun, no-fuss flying experience. With its compact 1.1-meter wingspan, the Sportix offers easy transport and storage without compromising performance. Whether you're flying in a local park or an RC field, it delivers stable, responsive handling that's both precise and predictable. Thanks to Spectrum AS3X Plus stabilization technology, it stays smooth even in windy conditions. For newer pilots, Safe Select adds an extra layer of flight protection, making the Sportix approachable without sacrificing excitement. The BNF Basic version comes fully loaded. Durable, metal-geared servos, a robust Avian 45-amp ESC, compatibility with both 3S and 4S batteries for customizable power and flight times. Add to that a quick, tool-free assembly and built-in LED navigation lights. And you've got a plane that's ready to go with minimal setup, but maximum payoff in the air. Whether you're practicing aerobatics, cruising at high speed, or just enjoying a relaxing flight session, the Sportix 1.1 meter offers a balanced mix of agility, power, and ease of use. For RC pilots looking to sharpen their skills without the stress, this aircraft is the perfect blend of precision and fun. The EFlight Sportix 1.1 meter isn't just an upgrade, it's a gateway to more confident, exciting flying.